So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about HFCL share. So after many days of correction, the stock has given a very good reversal from the lows. So we know since the last few sessions, all the small caps and mid caps have corrected to a certain extent, and one such stock is HFCL. So despite reporting some very good quarter result where the profits and revenues have increased both quarter on quarter basis as well as year on year basis. So there are many questions related to what would be the next target. So when we go to the technical charts, I'll explain you a clear pattern that is visible in HFCL, and we'll also try to compare the day-to-day wise deliveries. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so first if we try to observe the day-to-day wise deliveries in HFCL, so clearly we can observe on regular basis we have seen some increment in percentage wise. So on 25th October we have observed 69% deliveries, and on 22nd October we have seen 63.5% deliveries. So clearly we are seeing a positive jump despite the stock showing the correction. So as I explained in previous videos also, as Nifty was moving completely in sideways to downtrend manner, so many stocks which have rallied very well in the recent times have shown little bit of correction. So clearly we discussed to search for average opportunities, and also we have seen all the major regions. So as I told, we'll discuss one of the important pattern that is observed in HFCL. So what is that? So let's quickly go to charts and discuss. Okay, so now we are back on to the weekly chart of HFCL, and you can see today's closing is around 73 rupees and 4.96% is the positive movement. So once you see the chart clearly, you can observe a set of lines which have drawn clearly. So this is the bottom line where the stock earlier was taking a very strong support and coming to the major resistance which was around the 80 rupees level. So now in the coming sessions, the stock is going to fill this particular gap, and after that you may see a very good breakout in the stock. So that's why whatever the candle size also you're observing has completely compressed, and this is where heavy volumes are also being added. So make sure you're watching this particular region. So breakout level would be around 80 rupees. So once it approaches 80 with good volume, you can expect that it may break that and further rally may be started. And if you try to compare the money flow index, you can see that is near 45. So from highly overbought region, even the money flow index has settled and it is in a very good buying region. So as I told, market corrects. So when stocks which are rallied very well in the recent times, obviously they will correct because of little overvaluedness. So you need to understand that. And on regular intervals, when you're finding the support regions very attractive, you need to search for average opportunities. So as you can see, this is a very strong trend line that I've drawn here. Support is clearly visible and it is around 70 rupees. So keep that in your mind, and breakout region would be around 80 rupees. Okay, so this is on a weekly chart. So let's even analyze on daily chart. Okay, so next moving further towards the daily chart. So whatever we have drawn in weekly chart, if we try to simplify that, obviously the lines, that is the trend lines, would be simplified, and you can see a very clear vision in daily charts. So in the coming sessions, it is expected that the stock will try to approach there. Again, we may expect retracement, and after that it may give some breakout. So again, it may travel in this particular range. So wait patiently. If you're a safe trader, you can expect to buy this stock once it crosses 80 rupees, and first target would be 90, and after that 95. So these can be the near term levels, and after that we know 95 is all time high and a very strong resistance. So once it breaks that, 100 plus can be easily observed. So these are the near term targets that you need to watch out. So price action is very clear, trend lines are also very clear, support is clear, resistance also, as I told, you need to watch that. And money flow index in daily chart is near 64, so completely in a safe region for buying. So try to follow all the levels, and further any queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.